the round thing yenye unaekelea chapati juu and then you roll on it. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Kang'ethe. So I'm linking this video with the previous video. So this will be me showing you a week in my life, just showing you the things that I shopped in the previous video. Now on this day I am also going to show you an amazing thing. You remember in the previous video you saw that I had said I was manifesting for a coffee table, for a TV stand, for a plant. So guess what? I'm so excited that at least I bought these items. Buying them is not easy, but with God's grace, everything now is possible and manifested. So the thing is, I bought my coffee table and it came. I hope I really have a video of it being made and then the final results. I really hope so, and I hope it's not in portrait form. It's in 16:9, if I'm not sure, video on YouTube. So that's what I bought. And yeah, so today is on Saturday. As you all know, Saturdays is usually a chill day for introverts. That is, for introverts, Saturday we just chill. So my day has been like just a reading book. I've read a book. I do read books. I have a small diary which I'm going to show you too today. Not really diary. I have a small library that I'm going to show you today. I'm also going to show you the book that I've read. Ooh. Yes, so this is the book that I've read. Yeah, so it's called We're Going to Need More Wine by Gabrielle Union. Yes, so it tells us about her stories, how she managed to grow up, how much she was bullied and all that, and then she grew up into this awesome person who is very hardworking. If you know Gabrielle Union and you love her movies, you can see the attitude she has in it. So I love it, and that's my current read. Something else that I've spent doing, eating. Of course I've eaten, and then I've done my hair. I've also done my hair. I think I'll record a video next time as I do my hair. So I've just applied gel and then laid my edges, and then of course taken coffee. If you remember the cup I had shown you, I have not shown you. So I'm going to show you the cup that I had bought together with the other utensils. I don't know why I forgot about the cup. I really do not know. But I bought a cup, and I had also bought a rolling pin for chapati. At the same time, apart from the rolling pin, the round thing yenye unaekelea chapati juu and then you roll on it. Rolling board, yes, the rolling board. So it's a good thing. I've taken my coffee with a cup and spend the day watching YouTube. Yes, I'm watching YouTube currently. Just watching people's videos. I've watched safaris, but I really love safaris. If there's one manifestation I have in the future or soon, hopefully, it's to go for so many safaris. I admire that. I usually watch a group that goes oh man, I will highlight the name hapa juu as I edit the video. And yeah, so much more. I've watched YouTube videos, amazing homes. I usually watch also Kang'ethe Homes. Kang'ethe Homes does videos about the homes, beautiful space, and Betty Mwini. Yes, Betty Mwini, my friend, too. She does amazing stuff. Check them out. So now I want to show you how my house looks at the current state, and the coffee table, and also the TV stand. So stay tuned. I hope there's enough lighting for this. So yeah, I'm excited. Ooh.
Bless me with a look when you pass me. Know the same look when we get nasty. Don't think you wanna put nothing past me. Ain't seen you since you came over last week. You fucking with my mental lastly. You immature, you ain't know that I was pulling up. It's cause you get around them niggas and act like you want way out of the. I see you out my way. Nobody knows what we do. Nobody knows, nobody knows, nobody knows. I wear you out of the. I see you out my way. Nobody knows what we do. Nobody knows, nobody knows, nobody knows.
Just me, just me, just me, just me.
You on your vibe, I bet you really wanna leave. You got a boo, but that ain't really your steez. When we alone, I bring you right to your knees. Whoa. I got a thing for you, baby. I'm just saying, if you wanna go there, we can go there, babe. Wanna know why we gotta move on the low?
Yeah, guys, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you've seen everything. I feel the house is becoming so much better and coming back to life more and more. So something that I also want to have a variety of is the carpet. I feel my theme was like gray, you know. I did not mix and match well when I was choosing items, but the carpet has served a really nice purpose for me, because you see this seat is gray and the carpet is gray. So I don't know, but I feel I need a change so as I can be able to adjust with the house changes with time. Yes, so let's see you. I hope I will see you in the next video that you'll be viewing, and please leave a comment, and please leave a comment if you have about the house, things that I want to change to, things that you can advise me on, do this here, do this here. But yeah, I really am trying my best, and I think little by little, if things come to how I really want them to be, I have big dreams. Let me just say, honestly, I have big dreams. So on my two personalities, I have an extroverted side and my introverted side. Today in the morning, I was an extrovert. And now I am chilled. I'm an introvert. Maybe in the next videos, you'll see extrovert and introvert. So there are different sides of me, but I feel, sometimes I want to have fun, go out there, enjoy life, travel, do stuff, shopping. And then there are times that I just want to stay in the house, like just chill. You're watching TV, you're watching Netflix, you're reading a book, you're eating, you're sleeping, you're relaxing. So yeah, but all in all, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe.
Know why we gotta move on the low. You so sneaky, but where you finna link me, baby? I wear you out.